Hey everyone, and welcome back. Is your Todoist feeling cluttered and overwhelming? Let me show you how to clean it up and simplify using only the free version. Step 1. Empty your inbox. Go to your inbox project. Every task here should either get a project, a due date, or get deleted. Don't let tasks live in inbox permanently. Step 2. Delete or archive old tasks. Look for tasks more than 3 months old. If you haven't done them by now, you probably never will. Delete them or move them to a someday maybe project. Step 3. Consolidate projects. Remember, the free plan gives you 5 active projects. If you have more, merge similar ones. For example, combine work tasks and work projects into one work project with sections. This is step 4. Remove unnecessary due dates. Not every task needs a date. Remove dates from low priority tasks. They'll still be in your projects, just not cluttering your today and upcoming views. Step 5. Simplify your labels. Too many labels defeat their purpose. Aim for 5 to 7 labels total. Keep only the ones you actually use in filters. Step 6. Use sections instead of projects. Instead of creating a new project for every small area, add sections inside one project. For example, a household project can have sections for cleaning, repairs, and shopping. Step 7. Do a weekly review. Every Friday, spend 10 minutes processing your inbox, updating dates, and clearing completed tasks. This prevents clutter from building up again. And that's it. Clean, simple Todoist helps you focus on what matters instead of drowning in tasks. If you decluttered your Todoist, let me know how many tasks you deleted in the comments. See you in the next one.